Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can rebook your flight here on trip.com. So first is you just have to log into your trip.com account using the app or the web browser. After that, you just have to simply tap on the My Bookings, okay? And then you just have to find the flight you want to change. So you can find it right here. So currently we don't have any flight, so you'd be able to see that right here. After that, you just have to select the booking you wish to book or modify before continuing, and then check the change and cancellation policies to see how many fees or refund rules apply. And then you just have to click the change booking, and in the booking page, you just have to change the booking or change flight. So this opens the change request page with your original flight details. So after that, you just have it to choose your new date of flight. So select which passengers ticket you want to change, pick new travel dates, or go straight to flight search to see available alternatives. You can also use filters like non-stop or lowest price. Next is you just have to review the price and fees, and trip.com will show you any changes, fees, or fare difference. So if your original ticket has value left, it will be applied to the new one. After that, you just have to confirm and pay. So if you're okay with the new flight and cost, so tap confirm, complete the payment, and you'll then receive a new booking confirmation and any refund details. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.